it's Leah, and today I'm going to talk about Royaltie. I know I talk about this a lot because I absolutely love this system. This is definitely a way to market your business in 2019. You don't have to hire a designer. You don't have to hire a content marketer. You don't have to hire a social marketing person, and you can add your contacts and information directly into the system. This is an all-in-one system that you can do absolutely everything for your business and be off and running. So today I wanted to show you, I did go ahead and create some landing pages along with my email campaigns, which are just like autoresponders, and those email campaigns are running automatically for me right here in this system. So here is some analytics and definitely what you can concentrate on if you like. I don't really concentrate on analytics. I mean, I guess I could if I wanted to monitor, what's happening with each one, which one is working best. It definitely depends on what you're doing. I'm looking for more of the interaction of people taking advantage of signing up and learning more about the system. So definitely could come in your analytics, but you can learn so much more from an easy done for you system. So here I'm going to jump into my online ads, and these are running for me. I actually have these running in different states. I live in Colorado, and I can put these anywhere in the world. I can alter and change these at any time frame, and I probably will be doing that here shortly and just making these look a little different. But I also have, let's go to landing pages. I have multiple businesses, so I like this one because I can do landing pages unlimited in this website, and it does everything for me. So today I'm going to go over my Thrive Life, and let's see here. I did the 𝗵𝘁𝗿𝗃, which is part of Thrive Life, but I'm going to go to my top one here. So like I said, you can make as many as you like. And here I did go ahead and create my landing page. This is a drag and drop. You just pull it over, let it go, and add whatever you want. Don't like it, delete it. So super simple and easy. Here you can hit preview and see exactly how that page looks. Now, this definitely does look a little different on the phone, but here this allows you to click on these when you're on your phone and see and learn more about me. So here's my Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, my website, my phone number, and my page. So here I want people to opt in and learn more about how they can get free meals sent to their door. I can add websites. I can add my YouTube. I can link these to wherever I want. This is linked directly to my Thrive page. Here I can talk more about those YouTubes and another one. So you can change and alter these at any time. So if a new video came out, all you have to do is just click edit and switch it. So here, jumping back to this, I wanted to show this is the actual landing page that I am using right now, and I can change and alter anything in here. So if I didn't want this video or this video is no longer valid, all you have to do is just click on it and hit delete. It's so super simple, easy. I can't believe it. But I did go ahead, and this is my page builder, so this is what I use for my landing page. I can do a save and exit. We'll get out of that one. What I wanted to show you today is I did some email campaigns, so these are automatically running for me as people opt into that page. So here I can click edit. This is my Thrive. And so I named it Thrive October, which I want to alter and change because I don't know, I might keep that, I might not, but I'm going to do this as Thrive Life Foods. It's just reminding me that these are all connected to all my autoresponders. I do have my October one in there, but once October is over, all I have to do is hit delete. So super simple and easy. I want to go ahead and hit save so that I keep that information over here. And these are so simple and easy. I take these direct from my Thrive Life. So if your business already does pages for you, or you have a designer or whatever, I mean, these are so simple and easy to change and alter. So we'll give that a moment. Right here, I just did a copy and paste from my Thrive page. So here I'll jump over to Thrive right here. Actually, doesn't look like I'm logged in. So here I can copy and paste any of these pages and put them right into my Royaltie. So that's all I did with this concept. So they do emails for us. All I have to do is just copy and paste, put those in here, and that's all you have to do. So here I did the large text. So even if I click on this, I did the large text and I paste these. Actually, while I'm in there, I'm going to go ahead and delete Thrive. And because we do want to brand ourselves, even though we are using their products, but I will hit OK at that, hit OK over here, hit save just to keep my changes. And then I went ahead and added a button at the top of the page. This will take them directly to my Thrive Live page. You can make this to a different website, a YouTube, anything with the URL, and share and alter that. So this allows them to go ahead and click more into Thrive and see what I offer. Right here will be all the information. All these are clickable, so they will click on these and go directly to my page. Down below I have my Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, so all this is ready. I'm going to hit save and exit. Now I did make multiple pages and I can continue to make as many as I like, and these will automatically be running for me as people opt in to my main landing page. So here you have everything running for you. So here I can click on these and just make sure. And I just saw this one come in. I just did these. So we have 3 people already looking at these. I have one immediately, 2 hours after that, 5 hours, 1 day, 3 days, whichever. So you can see how professional it is to just copy and paste this right in there and have it ready to go. How cool is that? So if I wanted to add another button, I definitely could, but all these are clickable. And if I wanted to change or alter anything, it's just a matter of clicking on it, changing it in the text box. So if you're doing your own HTML, this is a great way to just plug it in there. Hit OK, hit OK, hit save, and you are done. You can decide on the far left-hand side when you want the schedule to go. So if you want it to go immediately, minutes or hours or days, that's all here for you. So I just wanted to show you I did receive this email. So I'm going to jump over to mine so you can see the 3 that I did receive today. I can go ahead and click on these. Right there is that October one. Just taking a moment to render. And now you can see I can click on those and it automatically goes to my website. So right here has everything about the Thrive Life and what all they do and what they offer. Now I will go back to my other ones. Here I can go ahead and click on this next one that came in. And right here just looks so professional and easy. All I have to do is just click on that and it's ready to go. I absolutely love this system. So simple and easy. Great way to get started with any business, and really use the Royaltie to grow and expand and get your views out there. So here we have the Ruby, and you can see it's all done for me. So we can go ahead and click on that. It'll take me back to my website, and right there you'll be able to learn more about this amazing product that has no sugar, no preservatives, no fillers, and all the fiber. But you can see how simple and easy this is to promote your businesses and be able to use Royaltie for everything that you have. In this program, you have the all-in-one tools. So you have your analytics, you have your pens where you can put your ad anywhere in the world. Here you will have your landing pages, your email marketing, social marketing. So I can click on social marketing for you. I do a ton of these, absolutely love these, so simple and easy, and takes them directly to my landing pages. If you're looking for an opportunity to grow and expand with content marketing, this just started. It's a great way that you can just click on them, decide what niche you want. So maybe you want a health and fitness. A lot of these are in here. You can decide when you click on these, so say 10 health fitness tips for busy people. We'll click on that and select it. Here they want to put in their opt-in information. You can change and alter anything over here and make it your wording or tips. So here is a button on the read the article. You can also associate it with a different landing page. So if I wanted to put it to my fast tasty meals, I can plug that in there. I can ask for a phone number, add to the form. It's not required, and that is ready. Now I can hit save, and I can post this anywhere that I would like to on social media. Right now we do have Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn right here on this section. So all you have to do is just click on it. I'm already logged in to LinkedIn, and we'll go ahead and share this post. And I like to add the wording. So here we can do this. Click this. Now we know that this is health and fitness. And just add your different ones here. We'll add a few. Let's add some fitness. I always want to add gym equipment, you know, make it close to whatever. So here I'd be able to post all this information right into my LinkedIn, allowing people to get great information. So here I can scroll down, hit post. Now I can view it. And right there is my post. Here I like to go ahead and like my pages. Hopefully that helps with a little bit of growth in there. But now they can click on this and it will go directly to that page. Now they have to put in their information to go ahead and add that in there and read the article. So now you're growing and expanding your current list. You're allowing people to get great content, and it's going to go directly to my page. So here I can do save and exit. We already know it posted, and right here I can monitor to see it saw that I already looked at it. So it's going to give you some information along with that content. Now as they opt in, you'll be able to click on contacts and be able to see those contacts and grow and expand your email list. So now this is an all-in-one system. I will always be doing more information on what is available. There's so much more coming. Right now you have your online ads to advertise anywhere in the world, your landing pages or opt-in pages or website pages, whatever you want to call those. Here is your email marketing, and that is your autoresponder and your emails right there. Here is your social media marketing, where you can make the small little tidbits and put those out to your social marketing. Right here is content marketing, right here where we're at. Right here is a dashboard where you can grow and see your analytics, see how you're doing, see what's going on. And here's even more analytics. Here's all my landing pages. I can scroll through them and see them right here. I can monitor and see, but I can add as many as I like. If you'd like to learn more about this amazing program, I would love to help you out with that. You do have a 3-day trial to test it out. Get in here, play around with it, ask questions. We do have full chat support, and they can look at your screen and help you out with any questions also. I appreciate your time. Make sure to click on the subscribe and the bell. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.